Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurrect Autos HQ. So guys, it is review day. The guys at TREKURE have sent me this jump starter TK50. It is also a flashlight. It's got a flashlight built in and a power bank, so you can charge your devices from it. If your phone's running low on charge and stuff, you can connect it up and it will charge it up. If you're out and about, quite a neat little thing, these jump starters. They're getting quite popular out there, and really everyone needs to have one, I've got to be honest. But they're good for, like it says, car, truck, motorcycle and boat. You can use them on all sorts of different things, and they're great to have around, really get you out of trouble. So yeah, we're going to have a look at this. We're going to do an unboxing. We're going to see what comes in. You can see the packet is still sealed. I haven't opened it. So we're going to see what's inside, see what we get with it. And then we are going to connect it to a car, which is this one here, the Ford Fiesta. Completely dead, this battery. Completely dead. So we're going to see if this will jump it and start the car, and how easy it's going to be to do that. So yeah, let's start off with the unboxing first. Let's get into it, guys. Let's do this. Right, okay, so as I was saying, guys, that this jump starter from TREKURE has been sent over to me. It's the TK50. You can see there, I'm just trying to zoom in. It's because we've got all this plastic cover over it, so we need to get that off, really. So let's do that, and then we can have a little look at the box. That's better. So yeah, you can see that you can jump starter. Can't focus properly there, but it's good for car, truck, motorcycles and boats. A little bit more information on the side there about it, if I can zoom in correctly. Not letting me zoom in correctly at the minute. But let's get into it. Let's open it up, see what's inside. So, quite a nice little size box, actually. You've got your flap there that you can plug in your jump starter there, and you've got your USBs and your charger there. Has it got any power? It's got full power, so that's good. Normally a little handle, yeah, there's a little handle there, so you've got a little handle like that. You've got a light there that comes on. How do we switch the light on? I'm gonna go with hold the button. Yep. So, and you can make it flash as well. So that if you're stranded in your car, you can just make it flash, people can see. I think that's SOS. I'll have to check the instructions. I've not looked at the instructions, guys. I've just opened it up and then we're gonna work it out for ourselves. But I think that's SOS, which is pretty good, isn't it? SOS. If you're stranded on a boat or whatever, you can just set that up, and then an SOS flashing light will, yeah, sort of help you. I don't know, oh, that's flashing now. So that's pretty cool, that it does that. So that's the device there. What else do we get with it? Oh, nice. It's like a bag. Yep. So you just keep it in your bag. Like that. That's pretty good. So we've got a bag there. Instructions, normal stuff. Quick guide, instructions as well, so you can just go through that. Check it all out. Oh, nearly knocked the camera over. Not sure what that is. I think that's just a scan Amazon shopping app. And then you've got your lead. This is a charging cable for the device that charges it for the main power. And this is your jump starter. And that just connects, let me just move that out of the way, that connects like that. And then, yeah, we are connected. You can't get it wrong, basically. They can only go one way because of the design of this. And it goes like that. And then I take it, oh, is there a boost button there? There's normally a boost button or something there. So, but yeah, that's, you know, it is what it is. It's pretty straightforward. It's got a few bits and pieces, but you can see there's a green and red flashing light there. I'm not sure what that is for, but I take it once you connect up the cables, it will, yeah, it will go away maybe. I'm not sure. But I think what we'll do now is let's connect it to the car and let's just see, because I know that this Fiesta behind me is completely dead in the battery, 12 volt. So let's crack on, let's get it connected. Let's see if we can jump it with this. Straight out the box. I've not charged it, nothing. So let's see what we can get done. So yeah, let's do this. Right, okay, so guys, let's do a test on this now, and let's see, because it is a tiny little jump starter, it really is, but it's nice and neat. You can see that the details on the back there. I'm going to show you that now. The camera wasn't really focusing properly, was it? So I just want to show you again, and then on the back, a bit more information on the back, just a little bit about it, and then that information there. Just tells you about the model, and then yeah, just some information down there, QR code, and that's it. So, but yeah, so now we're going to try this on this Fiesta. This battery completely flat, nothing in it. So I've not charged that battery yet. I've just left it knowing that we've got to do this test. So, yeah, as you can see, we are completely dead. And then when I turn the key, nothing. Dead. No power whatsoever. So, normally on these jump starters, you get like a little booster button that you have to press on the side. But I'm not finding no booster button. There's a little, maybe a reset. What is that there, actually? False start button. Oh, okay, so that must be the false start button. So basically, if you ain't got enough, if you haven't really got enough power, or you really want to boost the jump pack, you can press this booster button there, and it really sort of just really boosts it right up. So we're going to try to see like that. I'm going to connect it up. So that's connected up now. And it's flashing at me, so I know that it's pushed in and connected correctly. So we're going to take it over to the car. And we're obviously going to go red, red, black, black. Yeah, red, red, black, black. Now, it should just give us power straight away. So I'm going to see if there's enough power. Without me touching that boost button, I'm going to see it is clicking away. Can you hear it clicking? So it's not the car, the battery pack is clicking away. Let's see if it'll let me do it. So we've got power. So straight up, no problem, no issues, just cranked it straight over. So that this must be fully charged, because that is a tiny little battery pack, but wow, that just kicked it straight over and started it straight up. So, and the power's staying there as well. I've not pressed that boost button at all, and it's keeping the power there. You can see, you know, we're probably able to turn the stereo on. No, it did not like that. As soon as I draw the power, it didn't like it, did it? But let me just see. Nope, It did not like that. But it started straight up. So now if I boost it, see what happens. Let's see if it does that. It's not doing it. Maybe I have to disconnect it. And do it again. Let's try again. Or hold it. It's not green, it's red. That light is red. So, I don't know. Nope. It's not like it, is it? It's not liking that. Because it's red. It can't be red. Hold on. Still red. Doesn't like it. Try and disconnect it. Put it back on. Okay. Okay, now we're flashing. So now it should. Now it should do it. Let's have a little go. Yeah, see that it turned green, look. It's staying green. Now we should start it. As soon as I turn that stereo on, yeah, there you go. As soon as I put power, as soon as I tried to turn that stereo on, didn't like it, which is right, really. That 12-volt battery was completely dead and flat. So, but you can see that obviously you need to get it the right colour. If it goes red, it's not gonna do it. Just pull that back out. It's gone red now. Look. But we are running, so I should be able to just disconnect this and keep the car running. There you go. But what a little device to get you out of trouble. Like I said, I haven't charged this yet, so I don't know, how much power is actually in there. It's got a little indicator here, but it's dropped one already, and you can see that it starts the car. It started the car straight away. All you do is connect it up, and then turn the key, and away you go. If you get stranded or anything like that, you can just get you running, get you going, and they're great little kit. I've got a couple of these jump starters now. I really have, but different companies. This one's from TREKURE, and I will drop a link in the description for you to grab one of these yourself, guys. They are cheap, and they're but not cheap and cheerful. They're a good quality. These crocodile clips are really nice and sturdy. I've done others before in the past, and they're really sort of flimsy, but these ones are really quite solid. So yeah, get yourself one of these guys. Keep it in your car. You can keep it in the bag that comes with it, which is quite handy. You can just put it in the bag. You can charge your phone with it. You can USB it. There, that's the charger for the actual power pack. But you've got two USB connectors there to charge up. But yeah, pretty cool little device. Like I said, I will drop a link in the description below. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.